Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Manual, and today we will be learning about operators. So, what are operators? Basically, operators are nothing but they are special symbols that perform special operations or specific operations on one, two, or three or n number of operands and then give end result or return a result. So, these are operators. Basically, there are four types of operators in Java. One is relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and the most frequently and always used operator is arithmetic operator. Means the symbols which we use to perform arithmetic operations. So we'll be seeing about it. So let's see what are the symbols used in arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. So let's open Paint. The first one is arithmetic operator. The next is relational. The third one is logical. And assignment operator. So these are the four operators. So let's see about arithmetic operator first. So the first one is the symbols for the arithmetic operators, and the second one is what are the tasks it will perform when we use those symbols. So the first symbol is addition, plus symbol. It's addition. And the next is minus, subtraction. The next is star or asterisk, it's multiplication. And the next one is division. And the last thing is modulo. It will get the remainder after dividing. So these are the basic tasks which will be performing. Like if you are having two variables like a and b, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Just for an example, if we are using an operator, and these two are called operands. These two are called operands. There is an operator, there is an operand. You will be getting 1 plus 2 equal to 3. If you are using minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 into 2 equal to 2, 1 by 2. What will be the answer? Simple, 0.5. Then the last thing, it's the modulo. 1 modulo 2. So here is the technique. Okay, let's go through the basics first. Like 2 side 1, and you can't divide 2 by 1, so obviously you're going to add a 0 and there will be a decimal. So in this we are not going to take decimals, means decimals are not allowed, so no 0. It is 2 by 1 and 2 remainder 1. There is a shortcut. If any time if while using modulo the left side value is smaller than right side value, then the left side value will be your remainder always. Okay. Now let us see about relational operator. So relational operator is nothing but it will just give the relation between the two operands. Okay, so there is an equal to operator, greater than operator, lesser than operator, greater than equal to operator, lesser than equal to operator, not equal to operator. Okay, and equal to operator just performs the task like it will show whether it is equal or not. It's greater than, lesser than. This will be showing whether it's, even if it's greater or equal. See, even if it's greater it accepts, or even if it is equal also it will accept. This, if it's lesser also it will accept, or equal also it will accept. This is a not equal to operator. For example, 1 is equal to 1, or A is equal to A is equal to B, A is equal to A. Any of the operands which are used after this operator in the relation, it will perform like I'll give an example later, like A greater than B, A lesser than B, A less than or equal to B, A greater than or equal to B, A not equal to B. All the relational operators should be used between the operands. Okay, and now let us see about logical operator, or else let us see about assignment operator, because in logical operator even I have to explain about the truth table. So assignment operator mainly equal to is the assignment operator. Any arithmetic operator which is used before assignment operator will become a assignment operator. Means any operator which is used before assignment operator, this is an arithmetic operator. This is assignment operator. Will become an assignment operator. This totally became an assignment operator like this. Minus equal to, star equal to, division equal to, modulus equal to. These are all arithmetic operators combined with assignment operators. So totally they will become assignment operators. Like for example, see, take this color. A plus or equal to B, A minus or equal to B, A star or equal to B, A division or equal to B, A modulo or equal to B. These are nothing but A equal to A plus B, A equal to A minus B, A equal to A star B, A is equal to A by B, A is equal to A modulo B. So in this the A value will be increased, in this A value will be reduced, in this A value will be multiplied, in this A value will be divided, in this A value will be the remainder of A by B. But the B value, the value of B is always the same in this case. Same. This will be increased to A. Totally it will be, this total value will be applied to B. This will be applied to A. Applied to A, and this also will be applied to A. I will show you an example while running a Java program. Let's talk about logical operators. There are three logical operators. One is AND, and the next one is OR, and the next one is NOT. These three are logical operators. Let's talk about logical AND. Logical AND is nothing but a binary multiplication. In this case, both the values should be true, then the output will be true. If any one output is false, the output will be false. So this is the truth table. Let's take this. This is the first input, this is the second input, and this will be your output. So the first input is true, the second input is also true, then you will get the output as true. If the first input is true and the second input is false, then your output will be false. If the first input is false and second input is true, then also your output will be false. If both the inputs are false, then also your output will be false. So it's like binary multiplication, like 1 into 1 equal to 1, 1 into 0 is equal to 0, 0 into 1 will be also 0, 0 into 0 will be 0. Like this, just think like this. This is 1, this is also 1, then your output will be 1. This is 1, true means 1, false means 0. This is 0, then your output will be 0. 0, then here 1, then your output will be 0. 0, 0, 0. So this is the basic truth table of a AND operator. Now let's see about OR operator. So in OR operator, if any one of the input is true, then you will be having the output will also be true. This is binary addition. OR operator is binary addition. So like first input, second input, then you'll get the output. Here is equal to true is equal to 1, false is equal to 0. Now taking first input is true, the second input is true, then we'll get the output true. The first input is true, the second input is false, the output will be true. The first input is false, the second input is true, then also your output will be true. The first input is false, the second input is false, then your output will be false. In this case, one output will be true and here one output will be false. Like for example, see this. In this 1 plus 1, binary is nothing but zeros and ones. So whatever you add 1 plus 1, you'll get 1. 1 plus 0, you will get 1. 0 plus 1, you will get 1. 0 plus 0, if there is nothing, then you will get 0. So this is about OR operator. Now let's talk about NOT operator. NOT is nothing but a negation operator. Means if the input is true, the output will be false. If the output is false, then the input will be true. Like here, A, B. If A is the input, if it's true, then the output will be false. If the input is false, then the output will be true. Input, output. If A is 1, then B is 0. In the next video, I will be providing you with some of the arithmetic, relational and logical and assignment operators so that you will be getting some better overview of what are operators and how operators will function. So let's meet in next video. Until then, take care. Bye.